Hey guys, it's Richard from diabolotutorials.com. In this tutorial, I will introduce you to some simple trick combinations that you can use for your first routine. Even if you've done Diablo for a while, these combos might be nice to learn. For this routine, you should be comfortable doing a basic orbit. Also, if you haven't mastered this trick yet, I suggest focusing on it, as it's one of the cornerstone tricks for any Diaboloist. Make sure you can do stopovers or trapezes on the left and right sides, and from left to right or right to left. You also need to know how to do both clockwise and anti-clockwise suns between your arms. Try to become familiar with having either your right or left hands forward while you do the suns. First, warm up by doing some orbits and anti-clockwise suns between the arms. Okay, let's break this down. Start with a basic orbit. As the Diablo lands on the string near the right stick, push your right hand down into the left and swing the Diablo in an anti-clockwise sun. Keep swinging the Diablo in a sun between your arms until the Diablo is at its lowest point. Once it gets to the lowest point, between your legs, simply move your arms apart to throw the Diablo back into another orbit. For this sun, your right hand can either be in front of or behind the string. Warm up with some orbits and stopovers on the left and right sides. Do a stopover on the right side. Swing the Diablo back over to the left. When the Diablo is at its lowest point, move your hands apart to throw it back into an orbit. Start with a warm-up of some suns and stopovers to the left and right sides. Once the Diablo is in the stopover position, swing it back over the stick towards the other side. Use the Diablo's momentum from the stopover and keep swinging it in a sun between your arms. Do the same again on the other side. Unwrap the stopover and use the Diablo's momentum to go straight into another sun. Remember that with a few basic tricks and some interesting combinations, you can put together quite a nice routine by joining them together until they flow. Good luck and keep practicing. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave me a message in the comments field.